in this video, you and we have the same plan. We want to remove doom scrolling from our habits and replace it by hobbies. Because honestly, I miss having hobbies. Even the little ones that I didn't really care about when I was a kid, I want them back. Her phone have a big role in it. We need to get them out. So we're back for 36 ideas of hobbies you can start right now. Because it's easy to say, oh, let's replace doom scrolling by hobbies, but we don't give ideas. I got you, girl. I have the list and we're gonna look over this together. I created this video in 3 different sections because, as we talked about in episode 1, it's good to know your level of energy and to respect it. You don't want to be drained by your hobbies in a way that you don't want to do them anymore. So it's time to look at those hobbies together. Level 1, low energy. I put low energy first for a good reason. If you're lazy and don't want to do much, then it's probably right now that you want to know what you have to do. First of all, coloring. You don't have to think about it. You just have to follow the lines, just color it in. Not too much thinking. Your brain should keep up with that. Second, cross-stitching. I think cross-stitching is really cool and really relaxing also because it's just like a bunch of like little squares. Like the idea of cross-stitching, you cross-stitch in like little... Anyways, you'll see crochet and all those things are in another category because I do believe that cross-stitching requires less brain focus. You don't have to count for everything, basically. The next one, which is not one for me, but hopefully one day I'll get better at it, to grow plants. I put it in low energy because I think it's like, maybe starting it would be medium energy, but once you have your plants and it's just about taking care of them, I think it's a good hobby. Also in terms of keeping habits, because if you want them to stay alive, you have to do it regularly. I think plants are pretty. Maybe one day I'll try this hobby. Right now, I think for the benefit of plants, I shouldn't, just so they don't have to suffer with me. I'm currently editing my video and I realized I forgot one point in the low energy hobbies. It's the reading your to-be read list, because we all know your list has been waiting for you for years. Why are you not reading it right now? So anyways, I'm just putting it out there because the video was supposed to be 36 hobbies and I can't really do without one, otherwise it's gonna be 35. Next one, journaling. I know it's crazy, but even for me sometimes journaling feels hard because it's like, okay, I have to sit down and write and I don't know what to write and I feel stressed about everything. What I started doing, and it's pretty cool, is you have a list of a prompt idea for every day so that if you don't have anything to write about, you can question yourself on specific areas of your lives. You can find them on Pinterest. I know that I use these to keep myself away from the phone because that's the idea. I made it more attractive by writing all of the list of questions on a paper that is folded in my journal like this. It's easier for me to come back to it whenever I want. Next, play video games. Let's be real. Playing video games is a good hobby. It's relaxing. I know for me it is. I think a good idea after that is to create a playlist. I know that I don't have enough playlists. I know I love this song, like the Golden Brown. I would love to create this sort of like medieval playlist kind of thing. I want to put them all in a little playlist that I can listen to whenever. I never do it. And I should. I really should, honestly. Next one, to write letters. It's kind of related to the journaling part, but you're gonna write for others. I miss receiving letters. Bring back letters. Cut off social media. Bring back letters. It feels so good to just write down to a little person and think about them and talk about things that you want to let them know, and it's cute, and you can decorate the letter so it's another creative thing and the person who will receive it will love it. The last one, I kind of hesitated between low and middle energy hobbies. It is origami. The reason why I don't know in which one to put it is because I did crash out when I was a kid trying origami many times. It's low energy, but if you pick the wrong pattern, you're out. Origami with hard pattern is gonna kill me. So the first one of the medium is crochet and knitting. I put them both together. It's first because I thought 36 was a good number. I put it in medium rather than the other ones because, so sorry, but you still need a little bit of focus to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You always have to count and you do need focus. Next one, puzzle. I love puzzles. I'm the queen of puzzles. I decided so. I can spend hours on it and you will not take me out of it. Low energy because I feel like when I don't have the energy, I won't do it. Or if I don't have the energy, I will do it too much and never go to bed, which is not healthy. Next, paint flower pots or little jars. I think it's so cute and I haven't done it for a while. Also because I'm traveling, so it's a little hard to just redecorate my whole room. I can't wait to have my apartment this year because I know it's gonna happen, and to just redecorate everything will be just so much happiness will be seen in this body. It decorates your space. You can pick whatever color you want, so you can do it to the colors you like. It's like, oh, I love it. Next one, you not only need medium energy, but you also need money because it's expensive. Legos. I didn't know how much it was when I was a kid. I was so happy to get them. I'd be like, but oh my goodness, it's expensive. So if you have the money, you go for it. I don't, so I'm not gonna go for this one. Building Legos is the best thing on earth. Like, you just have to follow the little list. You just have to build it together. It's just so exciting. good. It's so good. It's great. I put it in the same idea as puzzles because I think both of them are kind of like, oh, you still need a little bit of brain focus, you know. Next one, create bookmarks. I think it's super cute and it's useful. You can decorate it however you want. You just need paper, a little bit of pencils or paint if the paper is hard enough, and then you just do your thing, girl. Next one is learn calligraphy. I used to do this with my grandma when I was younger. It was so nice. I remember I was obsessed with writing well when I was a kid, so much so that when I was young, I wanted my handwriting to be so perfect that I would be like going on Pinterest, handwriting examples, and I'll just choose one that I liked and I'll copy every letter. And I think I did it at least like 4 or 5 times during my school years. My grandma had this whole kit of calligraphy and it's just so beautiful, so relaxing. Next one, try easy painting. And I think it goes back to what I talked about in my last video. I did this last time where I didn't have any expectations and I just wanted to draw something easy. Easy painting is the best thing in the world. Whatever tutorial you find that is easy, you pick it, you choose it, and you do it. So many paintings are so easy to do and it looks so good. So like this, you're like satisfied of yourself. You're like, oh, it looks pretty, but it was easy. That's the trick. Next one, decorate candle. My bad. Decorate candles. I've never done it, but oh my goodness, I dream of it every night. I started these little events with my friend. Let's do a creative activity all together. And I promise you, one of those activities is gonna be decorating candles. It's on the list. Next one is actually on the list for this month, bedazzling cameras. I didn't know this word before this year because my host kid was like, I bought some bedazzling stuff and I'm gonna bedazzle my makeup and my stuff and everything. And I thought it was so cute. And I think the word is a little funny. I put cameras, but you can do your phone case or whatever. It's such a fun activity and it doesn't require too much energy. You just buy the stuff, you put it everywhere, wherever you want, and it's cute and it's adorable and it's fun. Why not? What stops you? Maybe money. Next one that is not for me because I don't have the patience. Well, actually, maybe I should try, but hairstyle. Why not? Why wouldn't you try new hairstyles? There's so many videos online of those cute girls who are like, oh, like, let me show you my hairstyle and stuff. And they're gonna do like the best hairstyle in the world. I don't know how they do it. That's why it's medium energy, because I'm sorry to tell you guys, it could even be high energy. But when there's like little strain of hairs that you have to put here and there to have the hairstyle to look super cute, my patience has limits. But if you have the potential, what stops you? Next one, scrapbooking, or I put also vision boarding. Both sit in the same idea. I used to have a friend who would have a scrapbook. They would name the title of a movie and do their little reviews by sticking little things here and there and talking about their favorite characters. I think it's also a great way to like mix scrapbooking and something you love. You can have like a specific theme. This one is just a little extra. Learn to read tarot. I have tarot and the oracle. I need to learn. Most of the time when I draw cards, I'm gonna end up on internet trying to figure out the meaning, but I really want to be able to learn. I think it's so much fun. Then we have walking dogs in shelters. It's not really like a hobby, but it's still good for creative people. Part of being creative is also connecting with other people, other humans, other living beings. I think walking dogs in shelters also helps with like empathy, and it's fun. Like taking care of a dog is so much energy. If you want to have the benefits of like, oh, walking him a little bit, spending time with them, it's possible if you do it with a shelter. It helps the shelter, it helps the dog, and it helps you too. Next one, thrifting. Oh my goodness, guys. For those who know me from Instagram, I love thrifting. Obviously, like you guys have seen me in all my videos about thrifting. Like I love thrifting. Give me thrifting. I think it's really creative in a way. I consider it as a hobby. You might argue on this one, you tell me, but reorganizing your desk. The reason why you can argue, and I would understand to argue because I would argue myself, I mean reorganizing your desk when it's already organized. Like you don't want it to be, oh, it's dirty. I'm gonna be real, I don't really like to clean. I really need to have this habit of cleaning all the time after myself. But I think it is lots of fun when you reorganize it in a fun way. You don't have to clean after yourself. You just have to be like, I'd like to reorganize to like reshape everything and make it feel different. Now we arrive to high energy hobbies. So in there, I mostly put hobbies that either take lots of energy or it takes lots of time. So in it, I put learning guitar. From my experience of learning guitar, it's fun, but it can be tiring and it can hurt your fingers. And sometimes your brain is like, oh, I can't manage to do this chord. It can be frustrating. And again, it's a learning thing, so it's on a long run. Then book notes. The reason why I put it here, I guess we can consider it as a puzzle, but for having done a book nook, it hurts your fingers so bad that I think you might want to make sure that you have lots of energy. And you don't want to mess it up too because there's glue, so you don't want to glue it the wrong way. Then bind journals. I'm not thinking of like binding like this. This could be one. I guess this one would be more in medium energy. But if you think about high energy, I was really thinking of like the whole binding process. I see people do this and I think it's so cool. I never tried it, but I think it's a good thing to learn, like a good skill to have. Next one, taking improv classes. You don't have to be an actor to do improv classes, and it's just so much fun. People there are always so kind. For all the time that I did improv, which is not a lot because it kind of scares me, I realized most of the people who are there, they're kind and they're used to like not having things going their way because that's what they trained for every day. That's what they do. Like improv is about this. It's about letting go and trusting yourself and being more at ease with speaking up. Next one, cooking and baking. I think it's a really good one also because you can eat it after. But I put it in high energy because I do believe that it takes lots of energy. It's not just about cooking, it's about finding the ingredients and making it. But yeah, definitely a good hobby to have. Next, visit a museum. It's high energy for me because I'm not the kind of person to go out much. I might be social, but I do love my four walls. It's a great way to learn lots of things and to learn about yourself, to discover new things. Next one is sewing. I put it in the third one. I see some people putting in medium, but for having sewed before, it's so much energy and it's so much like preparation. Then we start in the learning part of like learn to code. And you can use coding for so many different things that I think you can use code for so many creative things. So learning to code is a pretty good thing to learn. Next one, photography. The reason I put it there is also for the same reason as museum. You have to go out. Next one, I think it's one of my favorite and I can't wait to move in my apartment this year for this very reason, is repurposed furniture. I love to go on Marketplace and see all of those furnitures that I think look super cool but that I could improve, you know? Just, okay, I have to make a point. If it's an old wood that is super beautiful, don't do this. I remember this video of this girl who repurposed a living room table that looked like books packed up, and it was this beautiful old wood and she painted on it. Girl. Next one, learn a new language. For someone who's bilingual, I think it is high energy, definitely. It's really something that takes time. And the last one is writing a story, or I added poetry for those who are into this, but write a story without stakes. Think of when Wattpad was a thing, you have the image. Think of when Wattpad was a thing, and all you had to do was just like write down things. You don't care about plotting the thing, you just write it. It doesn't need to be serious, you just write it. I think it's a great hobby to have, it's so much fun, and it really, I know for me, it will help me reconnect with my younger self because I used to love doing that all the time. I had a Wattpad and I wanted to create a book that was kind of like Pretty Little Liars. I was so invested. I would describe all the outfits of the characters, obviously. Like, you're not a real Wattpad author if you don't do that. I think that's kind of it because the idea of this video is really just to give a few ideas, so I don't really know how to end it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't hesitate to subscribe, like, and everything. And I guess I will see you next Friday. Oh, and I forgot, definitely let me know if you try any of these. I want to know. Send me